chicken that's extremely close with a cat. Who says chickens and cats can't get along? In some places, there are chickens that grow up together with cats since they were young. Because of this, the chicken is not afraid at all. It can even sleep next to the cat, eat together, and follow the cat everywhere. The cat stays calm, the chicken stays chill. No chasing, no fighting. They look like best friends from different species. And habits can change an animal's natural behavior. Nature always has unique ways to amaze us.